Now I am going to cover how to use in-app sub-account transfer. First, go to the account. In the agency view, go to sub-account. Here you can see the list of sub-account. Just click any of the sub-account. Here you can click actions. Then click transfer sub-account. A form will appear. Here you can select the consent checkbox. Then fill the agency relationship number. Then click request transfer button. Once the agency relationship number is filled, request transfer button will be enabled. You can click on it. This will transfer the sub account. When transfer the sub account, it will also transfer all the features inside the sub account like websites, funnels, calendar, etc. This is the way you can use in-app sub. This is the way you can use in-app sub account transfers. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.